Okay, friends, it's done. What we have over here is the pork chops, and then this is that beautiful presa. Look how dark red that meat is. You can't tell the difference in it and beef, and the flavor is absolutely incredible. And then this is the standing pork loin, and I'm telling you, it is absolutely delicious. Now, I left most all of the fat on, which is the way you're supposed to do this Iberico, because that fat is actually delicious, and you don't want to waste it. Now, if you want to trim it off, that's your business, but it's cooked throughout that meat, and it tastes wonderful. Now, this is the duck that was kind of the add-on, but look how beautiful this duck is. So we're going to have duck, and we're going to have pork, and it's going to be Christmas Eve dinner tonight. So anyway, the vegetables that we have, carrots, Brussels sprouts, you can tell, but these are golden beets, and these are parsnips, and I have shallots in there as well. So these are root vegetables that you don't often see on Christmas Eve or other times, but I cook that with the duck, and so they're seasoned with the duck fat, and it's absolutely delicious. But I want to show you one thing before we close. I want to show you how this cuts. Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely wonderful. All right, well, that's the Iberico pork lesson for the evening, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and you can share it with your friends. Thank you.